Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to do a circle tree revisit. Now this is a very popular video that I had released before. It was a card that just kind of came together with some fun things from my crafty stash, and I asked recently if you guys were interested in me redoing this with a little bit of a twist. So I'm going to switch things up just a little bit, but it's going to be the same basic design. I have the circle tree stencil from A Colorful Life Designs. I have a new to me 3D embossing folder. I have this die cut panel with the fun edge showing you here. I will link it if it's available below with all the other products. And here are the colors I'm going to use. I have Tiara, Tiki Torch, Party Dress, and Flirty Fuchsia. Those are the 4 colors. Here's a photo of the finished card next to the original one to show you the direction that we're headed. I have my all to new blending brushes. I find that these really help me get kind of low to the paper, and I feel like it makes the ink more saturated or brighter. So I like to use those if I'm really trying to go heavy-handed with the color. Now I have this little makeshift station set up. This is a 25-year-old cake decorating turntable, and I have an all-to-new low-tack sticky mat holding down my stencil and my card base, or my card panel rather. I'm working on a panel because I know I want to emboss it, and I won't be able to emboss an entire card base. So I'm just going to work through these 4 colors with some very heavy-handed ink blending from the top to the bottom, starting with the yellow into the orange, then the pink, and then ultimately the Flirty Fuchsia on the bottom, which is my favorite color. I love bright fluorescent fuchsia purple. It's my favorite color for sure. So I'm just kind of working these back and forth. I wanted to make sure there was a good blend between the pink and the fuchsia, and then also kind of blending a little bit better that pink party dress up into the Tiki Torch. But I feel like this was such a nice, fun, warm contrast to the original design, and I love the slight differences with the products used. So I'm hoping this inspires you to get out whatever you have on hand. If you have different stencils, try combining them with different embossing folders or different die cut rectangle edges that you might have, because I feel like the possibilities could be endless here. Now this embossing folder I'm a little bit obsessed with. I don't think it's new, but I got it recently and I'm just obsessed. I can't get over the drama on this embossing. So I believe in the old one, I'm trying to remember what one I used. I think it may have been Diamond Stars or something like that. I'm not sure. But you can see I did attach the panel to the card base with that very thin profile foam tape from Scrapbook. And here is my card bling. I decided to go with luminous white. On the original card I was using resin droplets and a stitched edge rectangle die from I think Paper Rose. And on this one I have that nice fun kind of wonky die cut edge and the luminescent bling edge. So I hope you enjoy this variation. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you shop for anything at A Colorful Life Designs, do be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.